Guess you want some more.
Thank you, friends. I thought I was dead.
Well, what do we got here?
Stay the fuck down!
testing. A few other survivors and I have made it to the city to find food and shelter. We are holed up in the slums, hiding in a rat-infested building. We're trying to fortify it the best we can to keep out... keep out what? Keep out I don't even know what. It's like something out of a goddamn horror movie. It's an illness. I don't know what kind. But what I do know is that people they appear to die, and then they get up, they rise up, and their minds are gone. And I presume are infected. This is gonna sound really crazy, but they eat human flesh. They're massing outside. Shit. In the window. People need to know what's happening. It's the only reason I'm still recording these messages. So people will know what shit. They're getting in. Shit.
Please don't let them suffer any longer.
God bless you. Water will help us survive these dark days and better serve our Lord and Savior. Your good deeds have reignited hope in the hearts of those who survive to serve the Lord. When the end of days began, the people were afraid. Many panicked and rioted. Stores were looted. There's nothing left here. You will have to search in the wealthy part of town. Unfortunately, there's no good way to get there. The wealthy didn't want the poor taking what was theirs. So they destroyed all the bridges, cutting themselves off from the rest of the city. I don't know whether you wish to save the world or bring it down. But until time ends, we can still save the innocent. One of our flock, Joseph, knows the way. He will help you.
Hey there, mates. It's Cinnamore here. Listen, Laura, Anything that good in orphan here? girl I was telling you about, she's got 104 fever. She's delirious. Thinks Bobby's trying to kill her. People are starting to panic. They think she's infected. She's only 10 years old, and they want her dead. Mate, but time's running out. Every minute counts.
We need to bolster the church against any attacks from those undead demons. For that, we need some special tools. Will you help us find them?
You can count on it.
Oh, excellent. The tools I have in mind are in Antonio's workshop at the pump station. Have you found the tools?
I need a little help. We need someone to scrounge some batteries for the flashlights. At night, we turn off the lights so as not to attract undue attention. Would you be willing to help us out with that?
You got it.
I was hoping you would say that. Look in the shops, cars, homes, they can be anywhere. If you find anything, bring it back. These will do just fine. 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 You find any more, you know where I am. Just ask for Ryan.
She agreed? Okay then. One of the sewer tunnels goes under the river. It leads to the other side. But the sewage level needs to be lowered first, because right now everything is flooded. We can go to the maintenance building and I can show you what and how, but you need to help me. I don't move as fast as I used to. I need you to protect me from those demons. Will you?
Sure.
Thank you. Well, let's go then. All right, it's this way. Okay, we'll try to pass through that building.
Well, what do we got here?
I think it will be best if we go straight ahead.
Come on!
Dear Lord, they're everywhere. Send them to hell! Stay close. See that greedy bastard? It is the end of days, and yet he worries only about making... You see him over there? It's going down! Look out! They're coming! Fuck you up! We're here. Behind that door is the entrance to the sewers. Lead the way. What are we waiting for?
Getting the hang of this.
The way there is flooded. We have to get rid of that water. We need to close the valves and raise the floodgates to lower the water level. Will you help me, friends?
Absolutely.
Let's get to work then. You have to open the valves so I can drain the sluices. Otherwise, the sewage level ain't going down.
I just opened a can of whoop-ass.
Oh man, that's fucking disgusting.
ass whooping. Bringing the wood. Fucking do it again. fucking die!
Anything useful?
here, moron!
Can't hurt to look.
Hey, it's good to see some new faces. If you made it, maybe there's more survivors out there, eh?
Everything all right? You look like you've been through the bloody ringer.
You came through the sewers? Well, that means those things can get through that way as well.
I hope that the barricades hold.
Blowing the bridges was the only thing to do. It was the only way to keep out the infection.
Yes, they can't get in, but we can't get out.
I'm sure the man knows what he's doing. I'm sure there's an emergency plan in place. He's not a stupid man.
What do we do when we run out of food?
We can't sit in here forever. Everything's going to hell.
Clan, somebody...
What the hell? Who in God's name are you, and how the hell did you get inside here? You're here to find food and medicine. Well, I'm sorry, but that's impossible. Our supplies are limited, and we need everything we have. That's all I have to say to you for now. People are waiting on me, and I have things to do.
That asshole just said the exact same thing those motherfuckers at the police station did.
Things go to shit, and it's every fuckwit for himself.
300 families. The flushest motherfuckers in the city. It's just like Norman's. As long as they got theirs, who gives a shit if the ghetto burns?
Man, they're just playing for their own team. And I think it's about time we did the same.
What are you saying?
I'm saying that we have to find that guy on the radio.
And the lifeguard? We promised to help.
Oh, fuck the lifeguard, man. If not for him, we wouldn't be stuck here like this.
Make the call.
Jen, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Were you able to get anything?
We're calling it off. Come get us at the sewer exit.
Wait, what are you planning to do?
Look, if we're gonna survive, we need to get the hell out of here. No one here is gonna help us.
We're supposed to be the ones helping. We're the only ones who can. I couldn't help my father, but I can help the others.
Jin, listen. The best way to help everyone is to find that guy from the radio. He's the only one who understands what's going on. We're only wasting our time here.
I promised I would get those people food and medicine, and I will, with or without your help. We're staying with the plan, or I'm taking the car and you're on your own.
You won't make it without us, doll. You know it's true. And if you leave us here without transportation, we're not gonna make it either.
No one's going to make it if we don't help them.
The girl is right. What do you want to do, Jin? It's up to you.
I want to supply everyone. The resort, the church, the police station.
Them motherfuckers at the police station? Are you kidding me?
We'll supply everyone but the police station. Those assholes can fend for themselves. Then we'll find the voice from the radio. Agreed?
I'll be at the sewer exit. Over and out.
So much blood.
Well, this will come in handy.
Damn. That's all our food. What am I supposed to tell these people?
Maybe we should stay put right here.
Blowing the bridges was the only thing to do. It was the only way to keep out the infection.
I heard you talking to the mayor. I know where you can find what you need. Not far from here is a market. The problem is it was overrun by one of the rascal gangs. They'll kill you as quick as look at you. But I know a way through the sewers. It's not an easy trek, but you don't look the type that's easily discouraged. Interested?
I can't really turn you down now, can I?
All the entrances to the market are barricaded, except for the one that very few know about. Head downstairs and talk to the guard at the door. That old drunk will let anyone through if you offer him a little favor. It's the only way.
I'm sure the mayor knows what he's doing. I'm sure there's an emergency plan. I'm not supposed to let anybody by, but I could turn a blind eye if you could do something for me.
Yes.
I'm stuck here for the time being, guarding this goddamn gate. I can't even leave to have a bloody piss. So if you could go upstairs to the mayor's office and look for a bottle of booze, I'd appreciate it. Anything will do. If I'm gonna bloody sit here waiting for doomsday, the least that pompous jerk can do is make sure I'm properly lubricated. You wanna do it? Got anything for me? Thanks.
That should wet my whistle for a bit. On your way, then.